So what I'm doing is filling a gas bottle, big bottle to little bottle. This is a pretty cool rig. It uses a specific type of bleedable gas bottle for propane. So if you're camping or anything like that, this is really beneficial. Comes with the legs, the nozzle and everything. You just get the regular old propane bottle and get this style of bottle, and basically you turn this on, gas here, purge the bottle here, and once a lot of white stuff starts coming out gas wise, or here, I don't know which, that then I know that this bottle has got 1 pound of gas. And that generally at medium on like a Mr. Heater is around 5 hours of burn time. So that's it, that's my story. So first I'm gonna turn this on. Okay, put my gloves on, so it is kind of cold out here today. I can already smell gas. Now I'm supposed to turn this little thing. I guess this is the purge valve. Then once it's full, trying to see if I can make my, I don't know, my watch worth a damn. Timer, 1 minute. Okay, in 1 minute it should fill. It says 1 minute to 90 seconds. So I pull this. I can smell the gas. All right, it's purging out here. I can see some, it's been about 60 seconds. They say about 90, then it's a full bottle. I would say that's a full bottle. Close that. Turn this back off, and now I should have 1 pound of propane in this thing. And you're supposed to just hand tighten this, so yep, it's full. I can feel it, man. This is cool. That was so easy. Peace.